Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. I've bought a house before, this one, but I've never sold one, so pretty interested to see what the process is like. A little sad because this is where all the YouTube started. My first videos was building this Rex Kruger workbench. A little sad that I might have to end up selling it, but that means version 2 will be coming in the future. The plan is to move in with my parents for a little bit, so I'm not too worried about the future of this channel. So wherever we end up, there will always be home improvement to do. The realtor is on her way. I don't know how much filming she wants me to do, so we might only get little snippets here and there, but let's see what she says. Yeah, so this is master, and then there's 3 rooms over there.
I'm gonna do a new one. It take time for that. I would
I have to start pulling some weeds. The realtors just left. I want to sell for the highest amount possible, but they were saying I would have to move back in with my parents, get the place staged, get grass in the front and back, make everything look presentable. But since we don't really have the cash to do that right now, this might be a sell as is. I'm going to try to do as much as I can by myself, get the front and back looking better, no weeds, get the carpet in there, get the catio out, get the rain gutters out. Luckily, we already started doing a lot of that. I sold the K-truck, I sold the IBC totes. Excited to see what the next steps are and what happens. But for now, video 365 done.